This is David with Airstream Buffalo. Today we have our 2025 Airstream Interstate GL. So we come this way. What I want to talk about first is this is going to be on your Mercedes 3500 chassis all-wheel drive. You notice right here you do have your Continental tires with the Alcoa aluminum rims. Okay. Because it is a 3500 chassis, you do get dual tires in the back on both sides. Backup camera is going to be standard, as well as your side mounted cameras are going to be included as well. Right here we have a power awning. It is going to be vibration sensing, so the awning will detect this motion, automatically retract inwards, so you don't have to worry about your awning getting ripped off the side of the coach. Okay. So, figure right here is a good place to start with the power system in this coach. So this unit does come standard with 1,000 amp hour lithium batteries by Battleborn. It'll have your standard 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter, as well as 400 watts solar on the roof. So this coach does not have any generator. It's gonna be fully electric. All right guys, follow me. All right, this is gonna be your lounge floor plan. So you do have the 4 captain chairs here. Of course, each come equipped with a seat belt. You'll notice right there, table, these seats do swivel, so you guys can have snacks, have lunch right here, as well in the back of the coach. So come on in. You'll notice solid surface countertops, induction cooktop, as well as your convection microwave. It's gonna be an air fryer, an oven, as well as your standard microwave. You do have your 13 cubic foot college dorm style refrigerator. And of course, just like in every other Class B, you have your wet bath in there. And this seat setup back here, this is your bed. It converts into a king size bed. Now, of course, you can leave it in the twin setup where this ottoman will come down and you can have this middle walkway, or if you want, these ottomans do come together to make one full bed. Yeah, if interested, this is again David with Airstream Buffalo. You can reach me on my cell, 716-392-2351. Look forward to hearing back from you guys. All right, bye-bye.